Hey YouTube, Lexi Luxury here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, stop everything, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can officially be a part of the fam. Also, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat while you're at it, just to stay up to date with what I'm doing every day. Today is a very special day. We are talking lashes. This is a step-by-step how-to on how to apply your lashes. I actually had a couple of my friends and other people ask me how I apply my lashes all the time. So I'm hoping that this video can answer all of those questions for you guys. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and leave them into the description box down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And also, if you have any tips or tricks to help other people, then definitely leave those down in the comment section too. All right, let's get it. So for today's lashes, I'm using Pink River London lashes in the style Kiki. And grabbing your favorite pair of tweezers, you're going to very carefully lift the lash from the packaging. And then taking my favorite lash adhesive, this is the Duo Brush On Adhesive. I'm just gonna put a very thin layer of the Brush On Adhesive on the seam of the lashes. And we're gonna let that lash glue dry for 1 minute. And while we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and prep our lashes. So of course, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the best mascara that ever existed. And this is what the lash glue looks like right before we're going to apply it. And now we're just popping these babies on. So before I apply them, I make sure that I am going on top of my natural lashes, that there aren't any of my natural lashes kind of sticking up that will get in the way. So I like to secure my lashes in the middle first, and then I go on the outer corner and the inner corner and just secure them with the tweezers that way. And as you can see, my inner corner was lifting a little bit. It looks like the glue dried just a little bit too early. It's really no big deal. All you have to do is just grab the same glue again, apply it to the seam, wait 25 seconds, and then pop that sucker back on. And you'll see that I'm kind of pushing the lashes in. That just helps me keep them more secure. And then also I'm pinching where my eyelid is over the glue line so that it looks like my lashes are just coming straight out of my eyelid. And ladies and gents, the last thing that we want is for that glue line to be showing up. This is very common if you're wearing eyeshadow. Makeup just tends to get stuck in there before it dries, and then you have this ugly glue line. So I'm going in with my Tarte Sex Kitten liner and just darkening up this area so then it really looks like your lashes are seamless and growing out of your eyes. Another quick trick to making your lashes look seamless is to make sure that the inner corner is taken care of. So if you have a thicker lash band, you definitely want to continue the line to your inner corner. Otherwise, people are going to obviously tell that you are wearing lashes, and it is not a good look, honey. And that is it, my loves. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup so you could see what it looks like after I have my lashes done. Lashes literally take me from caterpillar to butterfly, so they're definitely necessary if you want to do a glam look or even just like a natural look with some like demi wispies. So I hope y'all enjoyed this how-to tutorial, and I hope it was super helpful. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section down below. I will also leave all of the products that I used in the description box down below, along with my discount code for these gorgeous lashes, which are by Pink River London. Remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I love you guys. Bye.